Hey there, it's Deb, and I just thought I would shoot a quick video for you and talk to you about a really essential and important thing that you need to do before you begin investing in real estate. When I start working with a client, one of the first questions I ask them is, what is your overall financial objective? And they glaze over. There's this place in them where they're like, what is she asking me? Like, how am I supposed to figure that out? And what does it actually mean? So what it means is that, what does it look like for you 5, 15 years, 18 years down the road when all of your real estate is paid off? Like, what is your financial objective? Is it to build a $1 million, $2 million real estate portfolio? And I know what's going to happen. Your head's going to be going, how am I supposed to figure that out? I don't even know how much properties are. But what I can tell you is that once you figure this out, then you back into it. But you've got to get clear first on your overall financial objective. So I want you to think about that today. Like, what is that? Like, check in with yourself and say, okay, so if I was standing 18 years from now, and it took me the first 3 years to accumulate the rentals that I wanted or the income property that I wanted, what would be the overall financial objective that I'd want to live into? What's your answer? It's different for everyone. For me, it was $1 million. It changed for me on the 18th year. I got to that point. I climbed that mountain, and it ended up being bigger than $1 million, because if you buy $1 million worth of real estate now, and if you take care of it, and it's just the natural progression of appreciation, you should be standing somewhere around $1.5 million 15 to 18 years from now. So check in. I want to hear what your number is. Put it down here somewhere about you building wealth, making money, and making a difference as a real estate investor. And bye for now.